Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm out here at my favorite local bashing spot where I've got tons of room to roam and some nice rolling jumps to run the UDR. I've got it on 4S today. We're gonna have some fun. Got about 20% CSM. Just so plush. The best thing about the UDR is how plush the suspension is. Okay, I can't recall if I got the end clip or not, but I just wanted to say that I have almost no upgrades on this UDR. It still has the stock rear trailing arms, stock drivetrain, stock electronics, stock pretty much everything except for metal wheel hexes. That's an essential upgrade so you don't strip out your wheels, as I'm still on all original wheels. And I packed the rear axle with grease. When I was putting in the metal wheel hexes, I packed this rear axle with grease, and those are really the only upgrades that this thing has had. Other than that, it's just got some drive time on it, and it's really fun.